style in Ananda, and today I want to show you a 5-minute recipe for bean hummus. I'm going to use mostly local ingredients. The only thing which is not local is tahini, but I'm pretty sure we'll get it somewhere in the supermarket, so let's go. So what we need for the bean hummus is beans, of course, but you can use any beans. You can also use kidney beans or green beans, whatever. The most important thing is just to soak it overnight and cook it until they're really soft. Then what we need is 3 halves of lemon, tahina, olive oil, garlic, cumin and salt. What I'm going to use is called lobia, also known as black-eyed peas, and you will find it everywhere all over India. It's a local grain. We're going to squeeze the lemon. I take my hands as a sieve. You can also take a sieve, whatever you want, whatever you have at home. And then we're going to add the olive oil. We're going to add the garlic. Take some time. If it's too dry like mine now, you can still add some liquid, like a little bit of water. Then we're gonna add the cumin. Get it out in a bowl and put it in the fridge until it's cool, and then it's ready to serve.